Do you know how the Apple Vision Pro is made in the factory? Here's how it comes to life. In a new era of spatial computing, the challenge wasn't just designing a revolutionary device, it was engineering it. This is the precision and craft behind Apple Vision Pro. The curved front glass, known as the front lens, begins as a precisely layered sheet. It's meticulously cut, then formed, creating the foundation of Vision Pro's seamless exterior. The light seal, the heart of comfort and fit, is crafted through multi-stage fabrication, each step sculpting its unique geometry. Inside, a complex 5-axis machining process creates the internal structure, precise enough to position sensors and components with micron-level accuracy. Every single part undergoes rigorous automated quality control, ensuring perfect optical and ergonomic consistency. Custom 3D knitting machines then craft the headband and light seal cushion. Intricate patterns built for stretch, breathability, and structure, all woven in one continuous piece. This is textile engineering, designed for strength and all-day comfort. The aluminum alloy frame is cut, refined, and polished under a constant flow of coolant. Only then is it ready for the internal assembly. Micro-welding and high-precision attachment methods secure sensor mounts and internal brackets. Custom micro-OLED displays and the 3-element lens system are placed with extreme care, forming the optical heart of the spatial experience. Finally, the intricate network of chips, cables, and sensors, the device's nervous system, is integrated and sealed, every element aligned, every component perfected, down to the micron. The result is a testament to advanced manufacturing and human ingenuity. This is how Apple Vision Pro is made.